Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And rumors suggest that iPhone 11 is in the process of launch soon and we are going to see much improvements in it. Well, Apple has to stay in the competition with all other smartphone brands in the market at the moment, and with the launch of Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, Huawei P30 Pro and OnePlus 7 Pro, Apple had to take some critical steps to gain momentum again. Reportedly, the new iPhone 11 will come in two variants with a screen size of 5.8 inch and 6.5 inches, having Super Retina display. There will be triple camera setup. To be very honest, I kind of like the design of cameras on the back. See how cool they look placed that way. There will be a 14 megapixel triple camera setup with TOF sensors. The front will be a 10 megapixel true depth camera with whopping 6 gigs of RAM in the phone. This would be enough to run several tasks at a time with multiple apps running in the background. The Face ID has been improved now and it is known as the second generation Face ID. It is supposed to be more secure and fast than the previous generation. The 3D touch will be gone and an underwater mode will be introduced. This means that iPhone 11 will be definitely IP68 rated or more, and the wireless battery sharing feature is something new for Apple. Since these are concepts and leaks, so nothing can be confirmed at the moment. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, it means a lot to me guys. Read complete article on pgrepublic.com, links are in the description below, and I'll catch you in the next one.